There are no special tools required in order to work with PVC trim, sheet, and molding. Traditional carbide-tipped saw blades, carbide-tipped router bits, and woodworking drill bits will work best. If using approved screws, do not overdrive them into the material. You can use fasteners that are meant for wood trim and siding. They should have a thin shank, blunt points, and full round heads. During cooler temperatures, annular threads are recommended. Trim screws number 6, number 8, and number 10, as well as Starborn or Cortex screws are also acceptable. Stainless fasteners are always recommended over galvanized nails. Wire nails and staples should not be used in securing the trim. No pre-drilling of the board is required unless the temperatures are below 40 degrees at the time of the installation. Properly spacing the fasteners on the board will reduce expansion and contraction of the product. Fasteners along the length of the board should be no more than 16 inches on center. Fasteners across the width of the board should be no more than 4 inches apart. And you should always have fasteners 2 inches from any end of the board. If your material is a 1/2 inch thick or thinner, it is not designed to be ripped and used for trim applications. When using these products, they must be glued and fastened to the solid substrate. When using PVC J-pocket trim, do not nail or screw the trim boards through the channel edge of the J-pocket. To avoid this, keep your nails at least 1.5 inches from the edge of the J-pocket. You may nail within 1/4 inch of the edge of the board to capture jams, but this is not recommended at the very end of the boards. The board should be fastened within 2 inches of the end of the board. The best solution for your trim is to use the Starborn Pro Plug system. We will pre-finish the plugs that will match your trim. Another option is Starborn stainless steel head coat screws. You can pick a screw head that will match your trim color. To fill in any nail holes, you can use Fill and Flex adhesive or DAP crack shot. Sanding and painting may be required. Touch-up paint is available to order. Be sure to touch up planed edges and small damaged areas. Our pre-finished coating is not fully cured for 30 to 90 days. Our baked-on finish allows the product to be handled and installed, but do not abuse the product. Please do not drag or scratch anything along the material.